Welcome everyone to a new series on Power BI. In this part 1, we will study Introduction to Power BI. In this part 1, we will consider two topics: what is Power BI and why do we want to use Power BI. So let's begin with what exactly is Power BI. Power BI is a business intelligence tool for analyzing and visualizing your raw data that you get from your organization and converting this raw data into some presentable format in forms of reports. Power BI combines good practices of business analytics and data visualization, and they help any organization achieve data driven decisions. Power BI helps us to convert the data that we get from the different sources to build interactive dashboards and business intelligence reports. So basically, we can say that Power BI is a collection of software services and applications and all the different connectors that work together to turn your unrelated data, that is your raw data, into a coherent, visually immersive, and interactive insights. We can extract the data from the Power BI from different sources like Microsoft Excel, SQL servers, Google Sheets, my Access database, from the internet, from the cloud, and many other sources. And then use this data, transform this data, and visualize this data in form of interactive reports. Your data can come from an Excel spreadsheet or collection of cloud-based or on-premises hybrid data warehouses. Power BI lets you easily connect to your data source, visualize and discover what's important, and share that with anyone and everyone you want. So after extracting the data from the sources, Power BI helps you to transform the data and then visualize the data into cust into uh, into reports, and then you can share this reports with anyone or everyone that you want. Now, why do we want to use Power BI? Power BI is a data analytics tool, as we had learned earlier. So it helps you in data analysis. With Power BI, we can collect our company data, whether it is located on cloud or locally, and it provides us a quick and easy access to this particular data. Our customers can get a live 360 view of our business, enabling them to search and explore their data quickly and easily. Now, the next point is interactive reporting. You can see all the data on only on one screen in and you can use Power BI mobile apps that automatically update with your changes in your data so that you can access the updated data and report no matter where you are and whenever you need the data. So it is a very powerful tool for getting your data and creating a meaning out of your data anytime, anywhere. Power BI is very user friendly. It has got it is a combination of many tools that you can use to explore your underlying data, that is your unrelated or raw data, and it makes it easy to find exactly the answers that you need from this data to create meaning from the raw data. Data visualization. With Power BI, you can be both creative and productive and combine the data from various databases, files, and web services with the with the visual tools in Power BI and gain unique insight into your data. One, and again, Power BI is one of the market leaders in business and intelligence and business analytics. The Gartner has named Microsoft the leader of the latest Gartner Magic Quadrant for Business Intelligence and Business Analytics Platform 2022. And this is the fourth consecutive year you can see that that Gartner has named Power BI as the most complete and powerful platform in the market. So with Power BI, you can get the ability to master in the field of data analytics. And that is why Power BI is such an important tool. Thanks for listening to this lecture. I'll see you in the next part where we will discuss about what is data analytics and what is data science.